Next thing we're going to go after is our glutes. So glutes are a huge muscle. They're going to be very sore. We do lunges, squats, deadlifts, kettlebell swings, whatever it may be. There's going to be a lot of glute activation going on, and there's a lot of muscles in there. So we're going to try to mobilize those a little bit, help promote some recovery. So what I'm going to have you do is sit right on top of the foam roller. You're going to bring the leg you're rolling on top of your other one. Make sure you keep your other foot flat just for some support. And then we're just going to start rolling through there. So we're going to roll down low. Again, you don't want to go on your bone down here. We're just staying up into kind of the meat of the tissue there. Work back and forth. We want to go up a little higher. You got your glute med there. So if you have some IT band issues, sometimes it stems from the glute med. So that's either not firing, which is another issue altogether, or it's excessively tight, which you'll feel here. So when you get on there, you'll notice it. If you feel it up there, sometimes it helps to kind of relax this leg and go through that way. Or if this is just too intense, you can have the leg down on the ground, roll through that way. So let's go ahead and get the other side. Same thing. You're here, sitting on top. Cross the leg you're rolling up. You're going to shift your body weight so all of it is on that glute. And we're going to roll through, up and down, a little side to side. Again, if you find a spot, you can contract, relax. Try to let that foam roller sink a little deeper into the area to kind of get some relief. Again, we're up into the glute med. You also have a piriformis here, comes around the outside, all the way across, sits right above your sciatic nerve. So it's not a spot you want to sit on for long periods of time, but you definitely want to mobilize the area. Other thing we can use, lacrosse ball. So for this one, we're just going to be all the way on the ground. Same area though, we're in here, kind of shift your body weight onto it. I like to bring this leg in and then just kind of go through that range.